What is better, 30K or 40K cavitation? In fact, the S-shaped 30K device will be more popular among beauticians. The 2-in-1 design not only saves operation time, but also greatly enhances the shaping effect. If you are with sagging skin, a stronger cavitation machine with an integrated strong radio frequency, such as a 30K, is your best option. All handles of S-shaped machine are with 2 functions. One machine for multiple uses, EMS L handle and RF section handle for lifting and firming the face. 30K cavitation RF handle and RF section handle for body shaping. S-shaped 30K, get it now!